Hi folks, okay, today we're repairing this washing machine, an old agitation device washing machine, an old whatever the hell it is, an easy something or the other, which is our secondary washing machine, and for some reason has no power. It has power at the mains, I know that for a fact, basically because the glowy little light is on, but the power buttons here and this has nothing. Now I recently rebuilt this machine. The transmission, the sensors, the solenoid for the transmission and stuff like that is all replaced and new. So I know that's all good. However, in the past we had a problem with this machine, in that the many mices we have in this field from the field next door to us entered inside, crawled up through the gubbins and got into the behind the control panel here, and they chewed through all the wires. So it's in the past. So what I'm going to do is take this off. Now I haven't opened this yet. I've just taken the majority of the screws out. This is the last screw. Let me just back. Oh, what do you know? It isn't plugged in, is it? Let me just check. No, it's not plugged in. Oh shit, I hope you can see this. This is a mouse nesting. Oh damn it, they've done it again. I wonder how many wires they've chewed through this time. These are the wires they chewed through last time, which you can clearly see here. Yeah, I was just saying, we can clearly see evidence, it's unmistakable evidence of a mouse infestation with I hope there's no bleeding mice in here. My lovely wife has just pointed out, you see this? Evidence of mouse sabotage, apart from mouse shit. Bits of copper here. Oh god, let me see. Let's see, I hope there's no mice in it. Remember the yeah, look at this. This is Ratty. She's one of our Chihuahueños. Kid, Rat, come here, girl. What's this, kid? What's it, girl? What's this? What's this? Second, Rat. Hare and her best friend Falcor, who's here. They're a boy, avid mouse hunters, and they are clearly on the trail of the sabotaging critters. So I need to find out what. Oh, sorry, kid. I need to find out what they've chewed through. Ah, evidence. Look at this. Can you see this? This is a classic mouse sabotage. It's exactly what they did last time. They chewed through all the wires. Oh, why did I forget to put the bleeding mesh on the bottom of the machine? No, it actually got through, I think they got through here last time. So here, and maybe this hole here. So what I'll have to do is clean this out, and more nibbling. More evidence of nibbling here, but there's going to be more. So I need to go through all these wires, check there's a good connection, and then repair any that the mice have had a go at. Ugh, dirty bleeders. This actually still in one piece. I wonder why. It has no power. What does this connect to? It connects to this. Connects to this. Ras, what's up, girl? What's up, kid? What's up, kid? Yeah, one of these is leaking as well. It's the hot water one, I think, is this one. We need to let's have to take these off, because one of them's leaking. It has a constant drip inside the machine when the machine's off, but the water's left on. So I'll have to take a look at that as well. Alright, let me clear all this junk out and then repair some wires, and we'll see if we have any more problems. Okay, rat related update. I was checking the wires that have been chewed through, and there's not so many. Some of them have certainly been gnawed on, as you can see there, but there's not so many as last time. Oh, you cut through a lot. The main culprit being this one. They chewed the insulation off. Chewed the insulation off this. Chewed the insulation off this. And of course up through this thing here, but the rest of them seem okay. It's nowhere near as much treason as last time. The biggest problem, however, is this track here on this flexible cable. As you can see, it's been gnawed completely free from the ribbon. However, the track itself is still in one piece. This is one of these old-fashioned, oldie-worldy, made from iron girders, flexible cables. So it's actually held up pretty well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut and splice this one. Cover up these ones with some tape. I'm just going to band this track with a bit of insulation tape as well, and hopefully that should see us right. Though I really can't see why it doesn't have any power, unless it's actually chewed something off one of the bleeding circuit boards, or pissed all over it. I don't really know, but we will check all the same. We will check all the same as to see why it hasn't got any power. The problem was there was no power to the actual main circuit boards. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing, kid? Yeah, this is Ratty. We call her Ratty, but her real name's River Tam. Oh, she's lovely, aren't you? She's a pincer-faced Chihuahua. She has an apple-faced Chihuahua sister inside the house, who's very long-furred, and she doesn't come out in the garden very much because she gets covered in spikies. And this is Falco. He's a rescued from the street. He's a good boy. One of 6. Okay, so let's see. So I hope this should more ignoring evidence here. God, I hope one of the little bastards got electrocuted. I really do. Last time I opened this, the whole entire section here was full of that nesting debris, and it was a complete family of mice living in here. There was like a mother. There was a mother was here. Got pictures of that somewhere. With like, I don't know, 6 babies or something like that. But unfortunately for the babies, they decided to like fall through one of these holes or something, and these two got them, which is unfortunate for the mice. So right, let me just rebind everything here, and then we'll see if she has any power. Okay, so we covered up all the, except for this bloody earthwire. We've rewrapped everything. The ribbon cable has a covering of tape across it. I just hope it's not damaged anywhere inside. Yeah, shut up, washing machine. All the cables are reconnected. Everything's refitted. I've plugged it into the mains. This is the water level meter gauge thing, which you can fool by taking this pipe off and blowing into it. Ha! Hours of fun. So what we're going to do is press the power button and see how it happens. Take it. I haven't done this yet. I've only just plugged the lead and thinking it's live, is it? Let's see. Ugh. Nothing. This light should come on. This should come on, flashing when it has any power. What there is. Nothing. Ah, you son of a bleeding mouse. So that obviously means that Mr. Mouse has chewed through something more critical, which I've missed. So I need to strip the whole bleeding thing down and get the multimeter out. Something I really didn't want it to do, because it's not, wasn't on my schedule for today. But I just noticed something. I can't believe I missed this. Can you see that? Fuck's sake, let me unplug it. Hang on. I can't believe I never even noticed this. I can't believe I never even noticed this. Look at that. The bleeding power cable's been chewed through. Ah, you son of a fucking rat. Well, at least it's an easy fix, so let me just splice and dice and we should have ourselves who put that head cable? Was it me? Oh, I can't remember. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll just cut and shut. We should have ourselves a working washing machine. Alright, back in a minute. Okay, the wire. Okay, the wire is cut and shut. Well, at least sort of temporarily, or whatever. And this is the section George and Lenny had a go at. Yeah, of mice and men reference. Of mice and never mind. Anyway, so there's a piece of cable the mouse had a good chew on. So this is what happened. Contact. Ha! Power! And it's asking for water. Yeah, it's definitely asking for water. I will. Do you want a minimum? Yep, the valves have opened and it's asking for water. So we'll press this here button. Flashy, flashy, flashy. Yes, we have power again. So what I need to do is consider that a success. Success considered. I need to put the back panel on, and it's full of rubbish. This thing gets amazingly full of spiders for some reason. I don't know why. And I'll need to put the protective mesh on the bottom of the machine so bleeding mice won't get in and do this again. God, I hope one of them was chewing on it when I plugged it in. Dry fossil, you little bastards. Anyway, so there you go. Until later. Bye guys.